Today I got more Spider-Man Lego to complete my whole collection. Today we're gonna see if you get any more brand new characters. Hey Lloyd, build this for me.
I don't know. Okay.
The character we get is Werewolf Spider-Man, and he has amazing printing on his head, shoulders, legs, and arms. Let's see what we get next. Oh, hold on, let me get rid of this thing. And we're done. The character we get is the Cowboy Spider-Man.
No.
He also has a spider horse.
On the count of three. Draw. One. Get it, wait for three.
The character we get is the Cyborg Spider-Man, and I found out that it's a Spider-Woman. She comes with the arm, belt, and shoulder plate. But do you know someone who actually looks better in this? Yep, it's Zane from Ninjago. And now let's see what he looks like. Wow, he looks amazing. And this has to be one of the most minifigures with the most pieces. Look at this. And now the video is over. Thank all of you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.